Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable ask for PIN before unpinning an app on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen, and then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, go down and tap on biometrics and security, and swipe down and tap on other security settings. Next, go down and tap on Pin Windows. Make sure Pin Windows is switched on. Then tap on Ask for PIN before unpinning. So what this does is that if we lock an app, say the Galaxy Store, and then if I tap on the recent key, then I tap on that icon at the top, and if I tap on Pin this app, then I would tap on OK. And then now if we try to unpin it, you can see it will go to ask for a pin to unlock it. So if we do not have the correct pin, so here if I try to unlock it, so I can unlock it using my fingerprint, or I could unlock it using a pin. So if I do not have a correct fingerprint, if I try to unlock it with a pin, it will not work. It will not allow me to unlock it unless I have the correct pin. As you can see now, it kind of go to the lock screen and I can't actually do anything now. So unless I put in the correct pin, then I cannot unlock it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.